And then so that truly am Ponyankopon or the actual your sons a share view our Kumawood entertainment show. Show we the Bread Life Thursdays they are from 10 to 12 p.m. Now and someone about Ghana Maimu entertainment in some about amount for one summer about our social media and a baby breed in a African woman and the Bread Life. Now say the no. Yet the Amman to so a text message, the screen is so mouth. And some come home, and I see Boo Moahano say, oh, become one. Now, was why I did. What do text message and our WhatsApp at their fast. Now, they're my live, Kumawood entertainment show. And the story is not a doorstone. And may I better follow so, your one-on-one beer, your bear, and what you know, with your foreign transfer now. The pencil in several at the Google at the amount. Stories may be, and it's a Prince David will say, if you foolishly attack me, I will defend myself. It's about politics or politics. Man, I said, I endorse politicians be and amount for being to Chabona, and also Chabona, and also be defending home. Better with the fourth transfer, better some Muka Krawa, Shatawali, and Beyonce. Nenuma omo ebo yam the last year or baby film video no yet say be back out film my video be back out and won some ana yawo AYPO wa donate the social media na say the YouTube sika first amount wa donate at the amount orphanage abranti you be ono otutu no and on the star we are the bass are punching me live, you know. Now, yana omo content, you know, YouTube, the YouTuber, Skaka Kraba home, was in the Skaka Kraba home, almost friend and I saw the like I said, blooms I don't know the first Sika winner was what donated the amount orphanage, and we for transfer the better. A theater Chewa. Chewa actress na some of the money Morgana or actively I mean, I do a copy of UK, US, and now Queen and a dog would be and Wawari. Now, or a traditional wedding, no Sanso, a year, a block of baby. Now, a blue was said, or can't Nansen, or can't go for, and then if you are, or can't go for, and also I will have. You must say, is it you or per day or per a back? And now per Japade. And now say, the one ended it. It's no worry. Because over your mammy, if you look at the bear 16 years. Your castle bear 2 or 3 years, you worry, man, or you know, and shut down to see the dear. And all sign I worry you. To be say, mammy, a dear or a scan over it, a Japan over it, a back, and I say, I'm on that. Yes, and also a better port Nasia. You bet me about you when it's so few. I say, also sharing a number on the screen. So 0543 596070 0543 596070. A queer touch you, Wadiano. Fa, oh dear brat, na fee, yanking kind, emfa, mount. Your stories in there and there a doors but you better say you bet me I in now. Qualcassi say I am a yapa say or to expensive cars because Uncle who here say or but to expensive car. They say and how natural no na want to be you and I say Sebi Nenina tie and now to expensive car a year and I say enye. And also bet me the ordinary abba ya wankrofo bibi ti say Miss Bell or think on the president anka Ghana economy be koyi pa your bulletin so ne ni look alike ni niece bia opese wode ne ba out opese o sign no and also hon sem e wa ha ye be bo so kakra de ma sako de enso e wo hye senko betima ye president for Ghana and also ye be hwe and a comfort card so ye hunu se o di dwa wo baabi and obi say na we news na the news I wo mu ne say inya ntiese kwafo kwa de ewo rehab ema ho sensem bi ba bebre ne lo Kenya ho nsem bebrebe na nkrofo bi nso kwaje ne se mo manage no ho nsem bebrebe se be obi a na dwene mo kana kakra na ya hu se bia ogina ba bia wo ye shopping that means say enema ekoyie enna man ye news edima yen enti ye beka ho asem kakra ewo ha ba ene de ebusa pa ne se celebrities a omo ho je politics mu eya na asenye ye beko akoto aba ebinuma start eba out ebinuma start eba out na ye busa se toda politicians no mon kai celebrities no omba kai a agi se ye beto aba sei nso a na nkrofo bi so eba out de omo vote ma nkrofo bi ye busa se eye anase nye obetimi do text message e dey afa 0543 596070 0543 596070 pacho medine Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Samdackus ene me na me di dwumade ho chiame na ene me one on one no me bekwa kotie ne nwum bi oye actor na se movie no ego ntio ana se omo na egu movie no na se omo nyina adane TV presenters ene singers ana omo to nwum ye kohwe na nwum abaye ba me no be ko one on one na fe abadwafo so atrans na ya bonkyire mu Sean Paul actor wasanso twa nwum yen kohwe na nwum na mra sesia Okay, Mabena, aha, not just say, or body my wife. Come, wife, the Mabena. Shampoo. A daughter. Why for?
That was wife.
You ever called it? More day.
Yes.
To say what I acting now?
No, I did meeting, but if you are some attending. Was a yin a bit sugar house was you got for what are the new one is a watching.
Yeah, you can come back to acting. Oh, shall I acting movies bear saying?
What also?
What do you mean, Kai?
But the kind of what you whom you party the Kai.
Any day.
Movies was a 5 to be can go there the way. I saw a dear with the for part, the bishop of law. My girl. And I'm on the fee, any movie, kind of who say, from Posso Yard.
Okay.
Be now, I double this in the guy.
To buy industry, my dear Bessie.
2005.
2005. Oh, okay.
Now, boys, first day from the lesson too. I'm starting Ashtown.
Okay.
Now, me eat the campus in this hall.
To your baba.
Correct, Baba. You are, yeah, but you will be. That's what I have signed to me that meet the bar.
Sir, wow, okay.
Before I go industry.
And that is something to honor starting.
Yeah, to me, from course, peaceful.
Peaceful, yeah.
Was
it where you saw one as well?
Oh, I'm walking, and to be free or no, and the bar is a hole.
Okay.
And I become shop.
Okay. Now, would the young Kasa say?
I'm here, you come here, mistake, Ishmael in Katia.
Ishmael in Katia.
Nyansa.
Okay, Ishmael in Katia. Na then,
KTIA.
Then I would change the bayan shampoo.
You see, everybody are who take the Mishano, manage dance hall. The Jamaican own American shampoo.
Dotty,
yeah, the pen, the very Missini Kura, Metaya, the rag and books in maybe. I'm not for the Jumbo, the actia. I have funny. So, I'm not being rain does not show me. I'm probably with you, and in fact, for what tell me, Dotty, yeah, or something because I then funny. So, now, Mamma Safista and Kakra, Champodian. Yo, Shandapal, some give it up, to our guests, baby girl, oh my guest, Shandapase, a dozen. It's not that time in your war ambition, sir, Obitran. You see, we must in Muno, with me to quite a young, Sakodi or Biami, with the flesh film, who got him in the pan. It demeanor me, but music in my dreams and metronomy. Then you what you need. The Satana could don't cancel my static. Any good room, but any my dream cry. Then say, 1 month here, a baby. Okay, we started a number 1 month. 1 month here, maybe team, so nation, local labor. Your first minute, the Abba boy. Wow. Wow. Now, wow, share industry, mom to no. Be a cojon cancer, when friends say, Kokumenu, Amelia Brobe, and like Osha, one more industry, no man. Ubet me a push up from sir. Huh? Who do we are back at? Only cojon cancer, away. Cojon cancer, away to no more performing or stage musician. I say, Dino, we concur a dinner for the Cojon musician. A cat music up. Ghana for minimum by 2 weeks. They tell me every platform. What's the Cojon cancer musician already? I say, you want Lumba say, won't you muda? I did here. What's the Cojon cancer musician? Why are they? Why a comedian, but a dinner won't you know? We are a crab for here. Never make a cannon party, and you won't come. To only a dead change Cojon cancer. That's a wow, and Yemen and me sound to only wear the change Cojo. On my way. When I saw Codia was standard you. And your patapani a standard. David count to me. That I make say, and you say, I saw Codia, and a patapani will be Libya. But wait, and you will know where up your and they call me star, what in chain, Corosona, a standard. Okay, my men call Mr. I just say.
Okay. Ya mwakwa wa deba Kumawood platform iso. Na mibisa se then na obefa o se onene collaboration.
Bishia Sean the first record label Bibiana onye omudi kan ya bi. Na omo friend na be a songwriter me training.
Okay.
Omo mi mo be na ya me na me bana omo bia ma twere amo. Ti emu hwa na obo joint mi no ma anya adwuma bi. Omo so am frame bi. Ti mo na Sean friend say.
Na se mudi kan ya bi first.
Yeah, but a record label.
Okay.
Okay. Sean friend say what a record label bi ntino. Me me kan wona ye nyina yemfa adwene mu na push him.
Now also started to no check kakra.
I started 2 years.
I say o mom kra na o boa Sean because o na o two chorus no.
As you say Sean enyo ne di ono ati be twere
Me no twere rapping.
O twere no de abana mi so chorus am de be ba na de atoa so na aye kam.
Okay. Sean, enti o pese o ye music for now ana.
No. Say let me just see kra ansa na me say koto ni. Ye be ni nyina. But this time when enyo no enyo de ntwam. Enye de kro beti.
Be obi de.
What ya say na say.
Anya de kro anya obusuafo nko.
What ya say nti no enyo de say mabamu pa because we are signed to Ghana say mabam. Na me second one e ba de. We say aje amanfo nsem. But de e ba mo nsa betu.
Okay, wali guzo awhwe ya Kumawood entertainment show. Ya ne Champagne ene na busuafo na ase ne artist. Yes, na omo ye twetwe enkomo no. Se wo message bi na pese wo de send ya, obetimi de send ya fa. Text line na e da screen so no. 0543596070. Wo asem bi na se wo pese wo ka kire Champagne. Wotia obetimi aka. Na meba mama me freestyle na fe yetwe ye ho aba etwa ba Champagne de obetena ase. Na mabadwafo ba kwa nso abekan ho. Na fe minim se do ba be kan ho kwa mebusa no ho asem
No problem.
obato bomba fa
No problem. Emma ne de yagaxe ya de and the media say the first one that na anya de but second one no dollar stick no match very nice song but me man de
eti
obi anya msta
wo me fan say ya just now so ya de wo ayi say obetim na collaboration
yeah plan me meet you no plan no you say be freestyle
na Shatawale so
Shatta de enutufo one of them akoma so because me pedance so
okay
ufra bata akodi na Boston boy na ba we dey also boy we dey kidi kwa mi uji na ya man yes the voice na dey ba me dey medical dey on team me ayi na ya dey strong man we ya dey but papa na sa akodi
okay kan zemo okay kan
ti o we ya dey papa o timi dwo wonu ade ne ye so wo mo da na dey
all right mama me freestyle kakra me ya dey
ami yanko
I want to day outside. Cause it be you that make me feel happy. You be the angel of my life. Nsema who any man I me temper the higher. The show 3 months and me jaiwo. I'm gonna do that to make you sad. The way I miss you be more times too. Baby, I'm coming, so don't you cry. My bina, hey, my bina, me, I'm on my way. My bina, if I don't see your face, I cannot do nothing, no baby. So I'm on my way.
Okay. Odopeni, mi hu bida. Wona medo wa kosi mi wuda. Me pele se de kramo peni buta. What must they make you say Uber? Said they would do you who come hona. Odi manim ti se mo se ne poma. Anadwu bia onyane me mame no ma. O ma me feeling na me masi wo hima.
Wow.
I guess if one can so want to obi asem. Na koma ne ye made ntimi nu obi anchim. Oda me chi a chale me sade anchentem. Me shi litoli na me de nasi mi nantem. Anadwu yi de me ba wule mu. At the point na make us. What is none of them?
Okay, Champagne. You say the Majiwadi.
I say every brother go be yaro. There we know the Champagne can something.
I say sometimes you tell already so na be briefing say obi go na toma but wait till you know there one kasa na why your face come. Champagne. What you want to say?
Oh no dey ba.
Who am I saying?
Oh ba ko ya 2 years ba. Okay.
Ha be time.
Ye ko o de meja okwan na ofana word abeka no
Ye do bia se ye dey on my way by no obi so mo bloggers need to much o ma push here say mo subscribe to your YouTube channel or Sean Nation ko YouTube or Sean Nation be bia Facebook Instagram Sean Nation be your Kwame Star.
All right, Kwame Star na ye tene kan ye twa ho sima ba ko aba ye ba amazeba ye ba betena se na fi de ho no ye de abrem. Okay, ya sanso baby we Kumawood entertainment show na woni guso ahwohwe no. Ye kone ne Shampoo na twetwe enkomo. Na obi se nice song Shampoo wasere no say keep it up. It's your boy Kwaku Shaka. Kwaku Shaka. Okay. Kwaku say keep it up. We say so say please I want you to play the song again. I really love it. Okay. Amfa wudi amma. All right. That I must say also beti me do text message aba na ya kan e the amount 0543 596070 0543 596070. Amanzeba tenase. Amanzeba. Mama ma kwa ba. Enua. Ne mpomo e. I'm offended day in and day out. Pese ubenyini so far wiki then of course.
Wiki near course so basically I wouldn't want to push so much to your friends and the things that has already happened on social media.
Yeah. You personally your rounds
yes,
and then
I personally I had an encounter with Super last week on Happy FM.
okay.
And there were a lot of things that actually ran through my mind for me to believe, say, the successive government over the years does not care about what we call the creative arts industry.
Okay.
But it is just mere rhetoric. What I say?
Yeah.
So, like I said, a fund has been set up in, let me say, a fund has been allocated in the finance ministry and I say for roads.
Be a Edinam. Okay.
What I say? Let's see. Sika we ya it at was say the year Agrika. ye kusika no ade a
ye but creative arts there
as a creative arts na koye montendi
na koye nkrofo bi nko a
tamas kana sebe ba no
ba ko bi na ba ya ko obo nko a ho no
2 million Ghana cedis that's 20 billion OCs
yeah
tamas kana
but na for creative arts what
yes I mean did say over the years besides someone we were told say that the research it's beautiful but you see quite recently on the
beautiful research the
research is beautiful music I won't want to hold brief for but I'm very much sure that when you go there now the document and everything will be there. Yeah.
2 billion document.
Let's see making 50 million Ghana cedis allocation for the creative arts industry, right? Me from my friend is saying my conversation and my little research I did in Accra over the weekend made me believe that Sikano had been shared already on a river. They were catching Sikano. They see they say it can't hardly we see they say scan their boys at the end of that. They see they acquired that.
Sana who no and I say sana what no.
In that your friends a cartel meeting now. I formed a column of it. No, I'm say the course with evidential friends with documentations. No, bruv.
Creative arts can I say no? Ya chewi.
It is already shared on arrival. I'm telling you, who don't know we are. Then come a few and do December. Name bisa idea says can yeah, the Bekato so sad way 2014, 2016, 2017, 2018. Yeah, can't say
and your main topic no is on that like creative arts and I say industry move for embark on politicians no. That is our main topic. So
no, you see for that one, there are choices.
Of course, but is it helping? Ebwa. And I say we'll come to that. Now, I'm Nation Paul, come about the music career. What come? I say, "Utie kakra." There are some of the kafa on FM.
And the same way,
do want to be. But from Paul, you see, according to music.
But it's a no case could do patapa.
Omunya size.
See, this game, it's also not just about it. You are making fine music. Over share memo hano otonum pa entie what I say o de tonkwase anyom in quote tonkwase anyom that's when people do that credit
I said we no nyom no kwase anyom kwase west kakra o
see me see ye memo ha o boyon say kase Ghanaian music top 10 Ghanaian music you will find it difficult top 10 I want him to for 5,000. That's all. What about 10 minutes? All bread, yeah. You see that speaks my way from.
Okay.
Say, by any panon. It's another person also doing a friend is secular, and I say be a trending song. And also another issue. One and Yamia Boano, Emma, or industry, crazy about industry, fascinating. Oh, and I say Pemusuno. One touch a certain way to it now, and Mano and Shada NCP. But I'm happy saying, we find actors singing, you find the friends singers doing acting. You find the friends other way in forms of winning are also doing the other friends way around. I am happy say yes, we are sad no man no as. But you see me, I'm the type I embrace what we call quality. At the end of Papa, no, it's what I embrace. I'm not saying say what Sean Paul is doing, you know, it is not good. But only over the week, you know, may you post on social media, I can't say me say, see the difference between Kumasi media, Kumasi artists, Accra artists, and say Kumasi has fine content. See, Kumasi will fine content. Over Kumasi radio TV so on brav. And no matter what say content that was no effect. Come on. But say it's here saying a bit to me I didn't year with different brand no and on Kumasi Libby. Kumasi is hard than I say. Okay, come some pocket market to say me you soon as a place work as the brand and the media.
Would you come to us?
What time can say? Say you might want to you know. Let's even take it as a funny face, right? And now say why Prince David or say and to anymore. The brand attached to it, even if it's a Western Pampo and ya, or find a brand na corner. What I say? And somebody got to tinapa, and I said, 18 tomatoes, and I said, you fancy mackerel. But too soon. Now, I didn't walk on the brand, no, I show. Yes. And so, who you woman, in 2 or 2 minutes, I'll come on and
somebody like Sean Paul, and a comedian, send out opposite to see branding.
Sammy, and you see, listen, if he comes to me for a consultancy work, yes, that one. Okay,
so that one there, you see, now we are all who nothing.
No, send me, me point. Make all be some make.
But say a brand once and also a brand manager. Later now,
no, but I don't know, but the American say, open session Paul say no, see one, or that comic aspect in him, or he's a comic offense actor.
Yeah.
Right. And no, one aspect of it. What I say, and now what he's doing, it's also another aspect of it. I heard him comparing himself and Kojon Kansa and Patapa and Co. Patapa doesn't do rapping. Kojon Kansa doesn't do rapping. They do for instance singing.
And also the other day.
What's in Afro pop, but me rap.
Okay.
Okay.
Sammy, me say, me when I entered here, I heard him rapping. Yeah. I heard him rapping. Yeah. Kojo doesn't do rapping. Patapa doesn't do rapping.
And it's not any different from.
I said they do no, but it's all music. But music. Because he did that comparison, no, it's not make yes, I do that. I say the comedians in Dino Busami. I'm saying let me get a father down. Yes, listen. In one way, he's doing rap, or rap, with singing. And the others are also doing just singing, no rap.
One word be obey encouraging and so encouraging.
Oh, you see, you're saying here, or friend is saying, what Friday I call Bias and take out of bro. What I say, if he feels he can do it and do it better,
okay,
he should continue with it. But I never come encouraging and say, you see, you should look at that packaging aspect of it. The packaging, what is the brand? That is what will make people accept him. Whether good or bad. Okay. What I say, one Kojon Kansa the one came we didn't see him as an artist, as a singer, as a musician. But now he has gained that ground and who bought musician one shot. What did they shame me?
I didn't know one shot. So a musician.
Oh no, you see,
because of one shot. Oh, hey, the Okatem say who is best tenor. One shot.
Now when you're mentioning best 20, he won't appear in. Patapa when you're even mentioning best 20, he won't appear in. But they are all musicians.
All right. We also bless up my king. I still Sean Paul. I day your side every day. Shaker and I was say we say so. I say hi, good morning, brother. Very nice, Pa Mary from Libya. So say. No, nice, pa. We say so. I say, please, good morning. Love your show, Kumawood. It's true. Lewen is not a musician. I am king. Okay, my who didn't hear papa from Atonsu. Big up to girl Nana Equia and Amount. Or also the Abba. I don't know. We say so. Say Sean Paul. I love your song, Helena. And or the ma Sean Paul. We say so. I say. Please, I want you to play the song. Okay, I really love it. Okay, my name is Adwa Star, Ghana Sean Paul, and Kwame Star. You are too much from Obuohon. Okay, honestly, the other band, and I'm out for Ebo Abasupa. O said that catch them say I'm for one. Okay, Yao Akun Asare. I say my name is okay. That's my name. I am from Bodi RA. Oh, Sean Paul is good musician. Then Patapa, Dan Patapa, Kojon Kansa, and others. Hey, I'm out from you. Bu Pejano, one ambassador na show. Okay, we say I'm Kwaku EL Vice. Please repeat Sean Paul music for me, please. From Libya. Hey, Sean. All right, yanko
and your stories this so kwakese se wonu no pa se ototo kasa kese ema je se nka ne ya nka em se obototo tiko ibi na nka odi anante e dey tin na makwakese e kasa ye hwe video no mra na fe ba ye bo nchirem Sean. All right, yes, I saw Babio, our Kumawood Entertainment Show. Now, messages in the bar neighbor on Sean Paul's behalf. Or say, I really love this song, Kwame. Or no sooner they are there, Banana. We're saying so say, Adasan Chroma Joseph from Western North. I want you to play me the full video, okay? Because, wow, okay, it's wow. Anyway. You better say better say about my obi. Kwakese. Let me starting through.
Same. I say, and before Kase say, Bakwasi, I say before I say one son. One say Bible no sense okay. You say me have a fan. Na me don't know fan. But me pay you. Say, uswa one year young. You have that beautiful exuberance in you. Say, you want people to see who you are, what you are doing, where you are going, what you are wearing, right? Say, 20 years ago, you want people to know, say, the way you're fencing, maybe you will return and say, Versace, and I say, we are Cesar Patrotti, GFF, can say, what's the name? Michelle, the Ascot.
Yeah.
What I say? But
then the space out to say we
Michelle, can say, a brand, this way, with them let
yeah.
But you see, I'm not sure, say, when I'm even talking to you now, I would even say, I'm check my classes, so. What I say? And for me, and said that any because when I may, yes, I didn't actually focus in me, now you are making babies, you are thinking and planning how to take care of those children.
Me because I want you sure say kwakese say this is some coffee. Anything the man dey kasa because senka scan no ho there e ko beto.
No, me say it's only a fool who doesn't change his mind. So I am happy that
buying an expensive car doesn't mean say oh you fool and as a visa.
No, you see, let me tell you something. When you watch the likes of Bill Gates and one of those rich boys and rich men now, you see, those thorough thinking rich men, they don't flaunt wealth, they don't flaunt cars. What I say, I'm not flaunting Sanon on my way. But I'm sure Safe Kakase bought a big mansion, he built a big house, he built a beautiful mansion. They would be happy today to say yes, it's advisable to really invest in certain because land is the only thing that appreciates in pricing. What I said, a dinosaur is a tenor, which with the amount of saying, oh, you are continue be over to every more baby. What do you see? At the end, they are a big boy. But you drive that big car, then you live in some mongrel house. It doesn't make sense.
Okay.
The reason I'm saying all these things is you see, now, you see, we'll share your music industry now, critically. The industry itself is not working. Industry it's not working. And you know, it makes it very difficult for someone to even make money to say today I would want to go and purchase, let me say, a Lamborghini. Right. A Kanye Porsche, the latest version. And the Lexus.
I don't know, like celebrities, I have a competition be an answer then.
Yes, see, everybody wants to flaunt wealth. Everyone wants to flaunt cars. Osho bit say Kojon Kansano, when I'm using him as a case study, is the type who love car or pet, son of mama. What's I say? And not him alone, there are quite a couple of them. Obit say funny face. He also loves those things, but as to it's a funny can afford those things personally on his own. Looking at what Adebayo has offered him, right? But Kojo naturally loves those things. When you watch people like, let me say, the Sarkodis, the Saminis and stuff, now you realize that Charlie, there are some of them don't might have 1 or 2 cars now, but they don't flaunt them. Okay. What's I say? And you see, investing in other areas, it is far better than even doing like in property.
Sorry, now can't be said. You are be a usano, would drink encourage, 1 minute, 2 drink penny, be a me busawankasa personally. And maybe ba will over regret to say the way I see dressing, the way I see like show dressing yin, but regret to say, me huyanka, my fine, yes, I'm back come the before.
No, Sammy, you see, appearing good in all aspects.
It's very expensive.
No, it is very important.
But expensive.
No, see me. Take up the expensive aspect. It is very important. When you are a marketer, this is a little education because you know me, I'm a marketing person. When you are a marketer and you are stepping out, 50% of your looks tells
who you are. Okay.
After looks not have done 50% for you. We have just 20% in addition to the 50% to make it 70%.
Yeah.
Give you a pass
to convince the person.
To convince the person. Ya can one no be in casa back as some of those are sandy power. Send your Yansan so what in it. Send your person car or castle by your man, which my young man and open and open. But what appearance would not have done that job already.
All right.
You see, appearing good and appearing nice. I mean, sometimes it's not that expensive. Oh, at Tariwe, I say for instance, right? The last time I'm shot Tariwe, that was in 2017. Wait, me share you. Me share in 2017. What I say?
Okay.
Me share you.
So, who in a
Then and this say you see, I'm well calculated, and I calculate my things well, so that now I know myself. But come in and say, I can even keep them good and keep them nice.
Okay. Away from that, for no one I'm caution upon so now.
On the Kwakasi issue, me, I am happy that he had come to his senses to say, it would have served him better not to buy luxury, expensive cars. Then,
okay.
And Cassets can wait to the cars now or luxury, and so
and I am fine every
depreciation. I can't to the sense that even bought on, if you shouldn't think this out, but bought on and this or one to be on top.
And so can you die and I fear.
I say fear. You see, every now and then, rent a cost, rent a cost, assassin cost, let me say, be a $100 and also what on one. First is up on baby, $2 million, and then you might probably earn like $6 million. You understand what I'm saying? Until this attempts, I feel sound. It is good that he himself had also come to his senses and has since said, this is what he's supposed to do, or he was supposed to do, then he didn't do it. It's also an advice to the up and coming ones because Kwakasi had been there already. And he's telling them, say, it's an advice to the young ones, say, don't invest in cars, but invest in probably maybe assets like landed properties, and then as I say, this side no man. Okay. I feel say it's a good advice, it's a good call for Kwakasi to make this, but like I said, they say it's only a fool who doesn't change his mind. So me, I am happy. Okay. That Samdackus now had also changed his mind that he wouldn't want to invest. Or say if I had known them, okay, I wouldn't have done it. Same meaning. Okay.
Why? All right. But you want to go to our Kumawood entertainment show. I want some more share your social media. Samdackus TV, YouTube. Samdackus TV, YouTube. Okoha, but you know share, no like it. And a Kumawood TV. And so Facebook Kumawood TV. Would you comments or her? You can kind at the amount live or Kumawood entertainment show. And then Shampoo, you know what? Chat. I'm not for so I'm sending you messages. But then Kwakasi issue.
what can I say? Like, oh, you'll be also obey. The mayor or Domina Yameto somewhere. What the best young answer be? One day was one who said, oh, yes, son.
Anybody was say with me who but a young was over talk at a young for
Doing your scar, but Toby.
No, car dear, what the swan you're talking to in a car, but in Kofu young one. You go for the need only young what critical. You will talk cars like I say bear 4. No move you only be it makes sense.
Okay.
Yes, again, because when you die, you are going to move and go. So when you scan also what here. What can we do? It's not, and I feel if you're important because I'm a bit a yes. When you have been now, what's the fear? That's all because the man in Shaka. Okay. And even in the yard, say if you were who say, Cattle Toy was will be any so. Okay. To be taught and young from swap.
Obitanya from what meant to be a yeah? Yes. Want me to be so? Sanet here. Only now you a scaffold palm or go to them to create a bed 2,000. A down with him. On Cattle. Okay. Come to make a clear. But always cap, but the air ought 2 billion, 5 billion. No, talk can be ignore them. So, and we are the same. Me, I'm a Muslim, so me, Sadia and Muse, nothing. Okay. All right. Some Paul and a Casano, fast cannot go and crofua, almost so a here be.
And yes, a friend is saying, we always have to live our life from others. It is good. Like Sean Paul said, to have a luxury car. It is good to hear. But you see, don't also live your life in such a way, say, you are expecting me to make it to come in video. Yes. You don't know.
But those are your uncrophobia or what? They have nobody. Yes, we do.
You see, the Oblivion as a sister, and a farmer, and man, Obia or Papa. But you see,
why then do you have homes? No. Homes, no.
Some listen. Let me tell you, I hardly had a father who looked after me. What I say? Maybe what I say. What I say? The American connect by our but the fact is that he never had that sense to say, I would want to take care of you. What I say? It was my mother, my grandmother who did everything. And I'm Tio. The fact that still will be Samitio. You will only be crying. Samitio. Obina because Obina what my mamma and a woman. And I never find a far, mamma. Right. But Tio, that is different. But you see, don't live your life, say you are living your life on your friend on somebody. So Bible say no man come here. Or didn't who to any person. So don't live your life on somebody, but say money back. Okay. You accept it in good faith. See, let me say this thing. Sammy, obedience as is one of my own. Only Yamwa. But you wouldn't say your school blind. Listen, no, so listen, see obedience as is one Yamwa. Only Yamwa. Even the lives of the Lambo is and Yamwa. But the thing is that say, or living a life on others, he wouldn't have gotten to where he is. But Nyakupa super so Shirawa, Sammy, God will let you know, say, it's me and Manzaba, or it's Shampoo who will help you. Say, the Bama Bay or home, brother, mammy. But God generally will let you know, say, okay. There's an advice out the man for say, don't depend on somebody. That's the thing. So don't depend on God. And your time and your percent a baby tear. We or say Sean Paul cannot compare himself to Lewin. Stop that comparison and let's see what you have for Ghanaians. Will be advice or the Emma and no. We say I want to ask Paul that where did he get his shoes? Okay, or say if now your shoes no. So pursue. And I was saying so as say Kwakase is not serious. Let's forget about him. Okay. I'm sure we're saying so. We're saying so say Kwame Star, we are too much. Okay, the Kwame Star and say no spelling no.
Okay. We say I'm really enjoying your program. Sean Paul to the world. Nice song. I go by the name CNB. Who CNB? Okay. On also. I don't know. Obi who are now named the power. Maybe I'm better. Okay. Alright, yɛkɔ abrantia ɔno nso ɔba kakra yɛfrɛ no AYPO Poyo Amansba ɛdeɛ am sɛ o follow no pa ɔyɛ obi a try no ma ɔde nneɛma bi tutu no kom ɔno nso ne brand ɔde ba no sɛ abɔ yɛfrɛ no sɛ apɔnkye ɛne saa wei na ɔno nso de ne brand a ɔba kakra no nyame adom wɔde nneɛma gu social media ɔde gu social media no sika aba ho ne first sika aba ho no ɔde akɔkyɛ orphanage wayi bi ɛde akɔma orphanage yɛhwɛ ne video kakra bi mmra yɛba na afei yɛabɔ kyerɛ mu. Okay, asan so mamakwa baby akaba esima enum na dubako abo we Kumawood entertainment show and e dey bro live o Kumawood TV ye Kumasi Atenga Junction awos pap make I was say awoso was shake your waist ya sha ase gidi pa amanfo ba omo ebe registration is free bra na be ye audition enyame ya adoma Saturday anopa from 9 to 4 p.m. audition no ebeba so ntibra na won so bra bi na minim se ubewie na chede de bebre kwa na de be ma Kumawood Training Institute nso aba on the 7th of next month August 7th 8th and 9 August na yedi si ho na ya church nsa no nyuma bi ti se 3D epoxy na biodigester liquid soap shower gel makeup and beads making a whole lot a does for 200 cedis bra 200 cedis per bra na fe fa besua sansa na dwuma we bi na ode sa 200 cedis the same 200 cedis no ehemu a ebe ma osika moho bebre enti bra na besua nyankopon ya adoma on the 7th Friday ebe in the week pepe na ye fa sa number na frɛ na yɛma wo kyerɛ mu na register 0244294066 0244294066 we say please it's true these cars please tell Paul to help me cause I have some tracks but I don't be resource please tell him ubetimi abo amanfo na wo sika wo de be bo amanfo de so ni mboto mo obi amate me on ku de de la person baba de me ya me no betu de no afre obesu buza say GA Sean where did you get co-mister yeah one blogger blogger ne study okay Kwakasi is not serious okay I think I've read this one I'm cool we say so God bless you AY Poyo ade awaye no obi se nyankopon ehira message we dey mame nkomra na fe menken kan ye mame nko amanze baso the AYA how do you say it
Same artist with Borax or maybe you say radically what doing 7 second year senior monsa and now be on here more say somebody saba
it's short in number
you see musician
Same me it's a good cause the senior woman
Israel
on
Mamudan.
And they say givers also never lack. Me say that in share the man say even in the midst of offense, the bashing, people saying a whole lot of stuff about him. What I say, now still no one power banner he still went on, did whatever that he's supposed to do and say he's doing, now. Scan buy and as a film they buy this can be buy. No one to now can say, oh, no one can say, you feel bracket way beyond one can say, be a brow brain to this car, no one in Nipa saying and say, rather a pija almost our own Nipa saying. What I say? Now, when you have that sense of giving back again, may I ask for that? That's God's blessings for him.
Okay. But
again, and essentially say, yes, you see, with that 1 million views, I would say, likes now, when young views now, it's when you're now, that's giving that money. That is not a problem. Till young cordial and your problem, but you quite ever so fast one baby. And then you say,
acquired a ever faster baby.
What I'm saying, say, when they say, let's go, right? The can't need the eagerness, they come where I say they back corner. And adding, I want to know home. Since say, after mostly I caught near say, sans of a baby.
I could be no.
Okay. Me, I'm in potting chicken. On it, the whole gun of the top pay, oh, you too.
Yeah, when you're all
9 million viewers, they say you get 10 million viewers, be a 5 million. But now, why I can't want it?
I didn't tell.
Papa, they can.
Some
you know, maintain, you know, we are strong.
In America, brands once and chat you. When you get to the fame, it's another aspect. Maintain it, and now say up in it, you know. That's what it is.
Ghana, dear, to become a star is so easy and cheap. But then you can say, "Be able to maintain or stardom."
And that's what I'm
saying. Managing the year, no. And
any idea, yeah, you need to form and answer here. I'm
showing this. So, the case is so many you are being who
some make us say, a friend is saying,
Unwa Maziba, Unwa Maziba. One manage to go cancel and that.
So, I'm master. Some may say, getting there, it's a different ball game. Maintaining it is also a different ball game, and upping it, and it's a different ball game altogether.
Okay.
Once a Ghana hand said you may I've always said it, say social media rewards stupidity. That's not what I'm saying, say he's been rewarded for. But you see, how do you maintain it? That brand that he's gotten, how does he maintain that brand? Or how does he up it?
Okay.
And no, because people have 9 million views. I say the 1 million crowd home. More than man. And yet, sustainability, no. Sustainability, no.
When it comes to YouTube, there, I think say more education on that. Because
I don't even want
to get immediately with some ground for content.
Me say sustainability, no. Sustainability, no. That's what the problem is. What you say? And if you say anything, but you make no you ever sound so asaba no and only asem no
me say why sembe na catch and say
no listen me you know me I'm an added credit, not just criticizing it, constructively. Me maka from day one I've argued with other people say why now I didn't know why you know what they appointed in see during the COVID people didn't have anywhere to go. We were at home He came with those things appointing, everybody was calling him on radio, TV, every there, blah 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 blah. Now, when the COVID is down, we will be subjecting ourselves to what we call intellectual scrutiny.
On that, who can brand and once. But this guy started saying, "Oh, what they are punching? What they are punching there, but a whole lot of people are not supporting her till now, and what they are punching, I am the brand. No business shoe at Chatia, and they are more coming."
Same, what I'm saying, you're not getting it. Me say, me maka from day one say, brand no de bano. Let me tell you, answer de bano. You see, he has a certain limit. What you are saying? He has a certain limit. Mama, I take an example. When a particular Shatter bundle. A buy P square. Before the put video all over. Now do you hear Shatter bundle again? No. But you see, and I say, I don't know ye before no. Some no man ye pet, but so a bit more pet, make us say it now, a bit more pet. But why they are making him? See, he's doing well. He's doing well. But again, no, Sammy, she's hardly home, said you. You percent try your borders, money quit. You better say we are Kenya, South Africa, almost because at that time, no. The world is in a certain country. We didn't have anything to go, anywhere to go. We didn't have anything to do. It wasn't politics. We're discussing after the coronavirus. But aside that, no, we want a certain form of entertainment. He came with that punching all those things. Now, any corona, no, if you welcome, no, let's also check it. If a time is in time on the bad, the time on the do, yes, as far time I'm to me, how the decline will be all the upward will also be. That's the things that I'm craving for. But so to be maintaining, and to me, I become one. The point about that. Okay. But let's also not just look at it from that angle. Say, you see, say you, obiti bank, obiti office, obiti game, obiti or you do man and near brain home. Obenya time, I'm a fat. I'm a sure to be crap on chair. And I said, you see, say you that would jump on those things. I agree. Okay. But me see maintaining it is when me my difficulty. It's kakra. It's the actual silence. No, so all just added, but the numbers is chopped. And the money is making any and all you know. Perfect. Maybe born about so on that. Nipa say, even there, they know say. A good damn phobia. I want industry, no bra. Or when you're home in the industry. But they don't even help anybody. And say, hey, what for you? At when you're saddening your son, you are doing one young son to whom. Where's our general and then Yansan home, which is home sense. Nesse, what can say, baby, I be free, can be free. And I wash baby, I will room, baby, walk on. Okay. No, say, my mission come over, if you doors be so as to get in. At the man, this is your friend saying philanthropic work, why home. I'm telling you, I wouldn't be surprised the next day to say, yes, it was you. Or in America, a crowd and bunch. I wouldn't be surprised. Okay. What I say. Okay. And to me, they've been one of us one place. All right.
I say, God will bless AY Poyo for his good things by YFL Mobley. Okay. And now I send the messages by Nyankopon Onsha. We say so. I say, I'm Maxwell from Sunyane. AY Poyo, you do all. God bless you. All right. On Sunday. Or the Abano. We say so. I say hi. This is Edu Kwesi from Western North region. We also please play me video of the song. Anyway, I'm say Unyonana or so all can. The AY no who will become perfect. Me a religious person. Do I know Nakupon sweet man way? And you can say we be a man fan to talk nebua. And here pa because Quran a womb. A woman be say zakat muni bi ma wo mo hia because me banya manya escape e ba le san ga yimi tell you ase nti wunya bi a memo timi nya de ni bible ka se ni
Principality need those who above us.
That's
and yet spiritual.
That's sufficient sex work. Progress that is but against principalities and darkness. We do not see them with our naked eyes.
We are going to do if you go new one, and the one why I did. I mean, said yes, and maybe I show. Mr. Media better so because according to Jesus Christ, was some way many family. Me as a Muslim, Sayo, who they check. Ubinachi, a long life.
Like one as a person out maybe.
Oh, yeah, several occasions. Some men and some we come catch away. 1,004 maybe. And yeah, but it's our kind
but some of my Busan didn't work.
Yeah, my
So far, YouTube and one some I think say some of the industry no a call from Kakra, a movie industry no. Some oh a call from a movie.
Maybe a woman.
And woman because all that try to go YouTube Jehuska. And also your production area. Your way of marketing it no. And assistant assistant. It is your producers need. Anom wo kantamanto ne kageti ano obi anyane de a kabana sele da so twa eno na shompo wo sebe hu nyansa a wo kreti u TV ndi ze Sean Nation TV oh YouTube as
he has to come and pay royalties with Amanzi Nation. Amanzi Nation has been there since
was it Sean
and now he's adding nation to it. No, you see the
nation dey nyawo dey no come and grow up
no listen no but the Amanzi Nation TM a trademark and also a registered
nation. Yes. Amanzi ba we nye argument say no. You have your Amanzi Nation also one Sean Nation. I'm sure but your Sean City is one. Enti yenhwe kwan a ofaso a ana adwen be na ma wonya ya otimi e divert the file e say e ma oska krakra
me YouTube na me ni se ska wo amafo etimi twa me GA page wo bo se otinya 100,000 key asemi ba sare mi kasa na ma na me so me nya bi e no e na obi bi ma me dia kenya 2 months kra e say mo 14 times subscribers
ana otimi nya 1,000 plus
se be to wo he
anya 1,000 series of dollars.
Tell me to Moshe. And
that is the educative side and person can educate.
I've said something here some time ago. Let me say the era of TV stations, radio stations, bloggers interview people to put on their YouTube sites, their Facebook sites, their Twitter sites, and making numbers and also converting it into revenue. The era of it, this is the time. You see, just say, and then Samdackus ever interview me. That's Samdackus interview now by your own. They tell Samdackus very interview because you said we that huge following.
Yes, so
we follow
because of what's Samaba.
Until once me back.
Say a man's back over review, be not some interview. I didn't know why I'm review.
No, listen. You see, not just again, which I haven't done that, but the thing said. It's not about the rape written about interview.
Because news.
Because listen, I understand. It is but because I'm also somebody. Unim say Kwadwo Dakumbi and na Kwaku Dakumbi she body. One so to be more na. I didn't tell for interview. Na me na buy interview.
Because Amazeba ewodi.
Because it's your own person the Uber family dey no. E dia babe.
Do you know say
Old family didn't know at the Bible should be Pijawa debut. They actually say, over interview me. We said it is over interview me. Next year, all the Bible yet idea, I go to YouTuber. Okay, and say, maybe there should be that documentary agreement between one the artists and say, what we are doing, any revenue that comes out of it, I'll give you either 20% or 30% or 70%. Remember, every artist in our country know. Because now most of the bloggers Bloggers are even making money more than even the artists.
Yeah.
Some boy here, and me, I was telling my boss, said, now stop interviews. Stop the interviews. Now he's flying everywhere. What I said. And you know,
then you stop interviews.
No, listen. Oh, I'm not going to create on one channel. Every interview you come and do him, he will put it there before you put it there into your first.
Okay. But you channels no who create still no obey him obi so there accounts so there. Eti create there na create me there. Me yawa boys bi a e say omo ayi Breman omatiko ebi a cameraman ebi a editor ebi a say no makom ho abom. Say me a cameraman a me ba betwa ma free. Oh yeah, Atisa, also about the me some there free. Now Obiaso de Google. That is what is going on.
Some show. Asima okay.
It's the own cassette.
Asima okay, that means that Obia benefited.
Yes.
But this is a situation whereby it is the bloggers benefiting at our expense.
I understand your point perfectly, but now no boys nso need it. What you say? Almost yes ade no. Enu no say we blogger ono so e won channel a onso ye. Sade we na ho dada. TV stations obi ho asem ba omo kotwa ebe yi ono omo TV station. E ma omo gi sponsors gusto. So it was there. I feel the more beer or beer to me the
listen, we haven't said that it wasn't there. TV stations at that time not building the fan base. Send them will be the advert above.
Sir.
But that same TV station also some call the video cause some mamia. Just see a bit misika.
So
and in this case no say open minister ma be ade we ma bata. Me be yema wa me the video ba also be.
It is there.
What I say but and then no and then radio stations be one ma o interview ai utuaka. Make me go bia che o Kumasi ano. You pay before you go for the interview.
Okay.
And what you make up for that no. Then let's do me check for that. Then let's do it this way. Open the interviewer to Yamaka. Mr. President Bow program so I bet you
That's it. It's perfect.
What's hand in hand?
It's perfect. All right, I'm calling him. Your stories baby be you beka ho asem chewa ho nsem bebre wo ho. Waware na ware ho nsem bebre. We de me na mebusa say. Akwa ta chewa ne ho na ye ne de. Ana se ope japade ana opema entina ogusu a oware at this age because minim se chewa nimfie ko nanim kakra mintan hu nkrofo bi a omanyini sei omota ware at this age yen hwe se eden pa na bema chewa aye na adwen se obeware before then no yen ko bullet ni niece bi ose ebony opese osan no man ba out yen hwe sa video no mra ya free one afi ya ba chewa de ne so na afi ya bonkyerem wo yen komra sesia All right, caption was say Bullet ready to sign Ebony look alike niece to his record label. Mama started free Sean. Na dot here no so dey say you.
Say man can as a walk off man
Bullet. Ne niece bi a or say look or say Ebony or the neighbor out.
Bullet me done about me creative.
They were creative.
Why are they? What the voice but I can't say Ebony. I can't voice. A bit my head. But so the quarter so Ebony did I was signing the meaning by that idea. And I thought of man, I dread Nibinti. We are Tiana Ebony news today.
But I was Seneca Crow.
Oh, David. Cap was a YouTube, no, I use my head. Cap, why no head a catching yesterday, but I call an was seven. And then the voice in Senna, but I can't want the voice. Name was so Sunday, when you near the map on IT, but I can't voice the never call. And no papa don't neutral. I call it mighty, no doubt. My name was also Sunday.
The more fat Ebony. There be one na on one Casan and Brandon.
Yes, I could be. We Nana appear 1 year. Yeah, we let's go. Was signed baby. Yeah. The only voice in Ebony, pepper, no different. But me, again, because Ebony, no, the white girl, me can say, need your baby, yes, no. For something new,
said they all did something new.
Yes, because me, you should know the 38 movie, the first, may I say, the Coney share the co, and what? But if you're 10 years, because you know, why that? So anybody me too up for say create you are something new. Another wow say oh
create you are something new
to you people.
To
uncrofo. So they won't say me share we am wow. Interview say rapper me dia ban. Anu odin.
Obi Musa say oshu na na with the acting. O should that am ye koya na say.
O me na me say I had 24 ya na shem sa.
Huh? Say na
matoshi umuzi ya me twa baako na me di ahye me twa di ahye ndi ha 4
na wo sha won tete
no I'm okay on that between two we make between sin me okay because eno na masunya
enti o twa movie a wa na your costume na say
me am costume me entire me sheko onye bi this me am de ba me am costume bibia.
Okay, we'll come to that. I'm going to Manziba. Manziba, your take on Bullet.
Yeah. Some original is original. Original is original.
And a sentence, yes, sentence.
Duplicate always remain a duplicate. Sure. Those trying to, duplicate a star, mimic Ebony, and make it look as if say, and there can be another Ebony. It's a fallacy. Yeah.
And we have a sister who had what is that, y'all? Okay.
Me say, those mimicking, trying to sound and look like Ebony, me say, fallacy. Ebony, Bullets trying to, make us believe that there's another Ebony.
There's still a Ebony.
There's another Ebony in the making. It's again a big joke. You see, when you create or you are bringing an artist now, it is better for you to let that artist he or she has the pace, his own pace. Now, on to me and ride on it well. But so catch him say, come and learn this or look, do like Ebony now, and I say sound like Samdackus now. After that, I should be better. Say to me, answer not like you now. I am failed.
Yeah.
If I do not also dress like you, I am failed. Probably, maybe you look fairer than me.
Yeah.
Or you are taller than me. So what about that one too? A problem. What I say?
Face crying, no. You could see difference.
You see, I remember people wanted to look like Michael Jackson. The G-Men's wanting to look like my friends Michael Jackson and Co. and Nias. But the Michael Jackson we all know is Michael Jackson.
But obviously also what for Amaziba Obonyum often din or say dread the same thing. Now then is on din no.
Me patcho entisa me dear me the honest truth is that say if me to me passport at you. Me to me the friend is saying me.
But now showbiz name say
when I was sitting on radio, then I was doing playing music on radio. What I said?
Yeah, Frozen.
Not my hunting at that time was Amanda DJ Mr.
Phrase, yes.
Phrase. You listen.
Yes.
Sabreno. Na me yet me born no.
But now
na me did the Amanda Fifi Smith. So apparently I sat myself down and said no. Me a footballer, my hanging the boot. When you called me, you were calling me tornado on the street at that time. Now maybe right? Okay. You can still refer to me as Mr. Face. I will turn and look at you, right? Yeah. But I would prefer to use my own name, Stephen Abia.
Manziba. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on.
It's moving on. Same, those that they are bringing, me I feel some more kasa enya pace, right? And be on themselves now. It would help the artists. It will help them rather than say, we are forcing you to fit into something. It is suicidal.
Okay.
And you see, we are in a country now, because we glorify a friend is duplication even more than the authenticity or the originality.
Yeah.
What I say? And don't think that massa no massa here Abba. There's no way someone will tell you, I want to create another R. Kelly. It can happen. I want to create another Michael Jackson.
Tupac.
I create another Tupac.
Tupac, a man for you, Tupac.
I want this to sound like Tupac. I'm making some joking. Again, I remember in 2002, Bad Boy Records, which was then, which was owned by PDD, brought up an artist by name Shine.
Yeah.
To sound like a friend said, the late Notorious B.I.G. After the first album, Shine first album, no, he went into hibernation. Near Chintum. Shine couldn't come back again. What I said? Shine to me and Bill to date. Again, that same Nipana PDD. No artist be a friend Mace. Mace Ejan to so or Cocoina Miduma. After Mace scored, they brought up another artist called oh, I've forgotten this guy. They brought up another artist wrong. Someone and come person or fitting into what Mace was doing. He also couldn't survive.
Okay.
What I said, it's always good as a student of defense and then when home. It's always better and good to me. They were never coming to money into Cheme. Even pen, credit your come come shoe. I have one.
Okay.
What I said. And today I debut. It's not just about to say I said opposite the car. Everybody died through road carnage. She died through road carnage. Create something. Do something that everybody will be remembered with that road carnage. That we had an artist who was so great to the extent, say, 2 years in the extent in the industry, you know. This were the things that she was able to do, but she died through road carnage. It's a baby aba. So I tell the kind say, about maybe and I said into phobia every woo. Kumama, South Quincy, no, but maybe about a better priority say roads will be a major thing.
Okay.
What I said, now a few years ago, the Mongo cars in accident, a Samdackus runabout, a swan runabout, that's why I'm here, your money, or betting me lamp runabout, that's when I didn't hear mamma for whom say, road carnage is real. Now, one is more to utilize someone into it. Sammy, to make it sure, say, yes, we remember her, but not to say, you want to create a duplicate of the late Ebony. Wouldn't work and with the number one's own, so me, I feel say it's much ado about nothing. I just feel say the noise, there's so much noise in our systems. I mean, so much noise in our system. So much noise in our creative arts industry, in our social political industry.
Okay.
Too much to the sense and my naturally we can't sit and focus and reason.
Okay.
That's where my biggest problem is. I mean, before said, even some of these things, you know, it would be better for us to really say, okay, fine. There's too much, damages and breakages in the industry, you know. Let's find ways and means of,
And you say anything that be eco supportive politicians, nana. your take upacho betimi ade o text message ade afa 0543596070 0543596070 ni akenkan de amount enche kra ebebie phone natum na nkoma ya die shompon so wa ha so pese na twetwe nkomo live a obetima frɛ na na twetwe nkomo but answer na no yenko akuata chewa wa acting bebre Ghana ha wa acting movies fair the actions fair but I say na warrior na on shada inni lako na eno na sesei wakopie mu wa America man mu na maami ene ne dofo aye wedding na enye easy ofi akuata ano ne brofo a de kura kwa yenko hwemra ba ya bebo mu ntirem. Okay, ya mama akwa ba bio de Kumawood entertainment show so ya broso bia akwa enimu akakra na fe bebe ahomana to na so wo de wadwenkyere e de aba but say no for our text message efa 0543 596070 me kwa manziba so chewa ne ho na ye ne de ana se o pejapade bi ene wonyaaye ana opeba se wo babaako ebi opeba baako asaka ho eden pa na be maame a owo almost 60 years ebe pray aware ho sa amanziba
amen Esther Smith wo mi o say erade ma wona waka modia erade ma won sano
say one e kan do
wona waka modia Ebiana na mona wata ekuya tiwa nodun ebiana this is the time yakoko mamu wasan but the teacher so say they say when you go to Rome you do as the Romans do I wouldn't want to say ekuya ta tiwa japade and so on japade and so on that one I am never and I can never be in her minds or her head. But what it is, you see, Bible no come back so say a friend say or Babeja nature in the house. Oh,
yeah, okay, but one Casabro Abeja
say to me or Casso bar. Abrewana so your bar or bar. See, Obeja in the home. And then our family
can make okay, what a Cassam.
And you know, I feel say what the Bible said, that's what the Jiwa did or has fulfilled. Again, I remember the first in quote, the one that I know, I witnessed, I saw.
Don't worry, you know.
The one that she did with the guy at Sokobanwood Village, they've been nearby about 4 years ago. I remember when we were in the studio at Angel FM. were discussing this very issue. Then any about me said, "Go blast it, you heard me angrily." A man's bad day, a day, just a day, and I moved to she was so angry.
Why? Because
say now you're discussing Chiwa broken marriage. She wasn't happy.
Yeah.
And apparently, she said things that I wouldn't want to repeat them again. But moving on, I am very much sure, like you said in here, when we say, wouldn't him say Japadian war pray, and I say, when I am dead. Oh, and I say, I'm ban war pay the me, I can't tell. Pay your own words. You say, Obia, she's almost getting to 60 years.
Yes.
Me, I have no right of truth in that. I do not have that.
But Chiwa is more than 50.
Yes, but you.
That's all 50, I was saying.
60. You know her better than I do.
My name the age, but Oshana.
But I'm repeating you your words. You know her better than I do. So what you say, I take it in good faith.
Okay.
And I accept it in good faith. Meaning you believe one.
Okay.
Again, I will also poke into it and ask, so what I thought, like you said, would make a woman who is getting close to her 60s, right? If she's 54, 55, or 52, now, would still want to, exercise, let me say, courtesan. And I'm dead and I said, again, you see, sometimes if you want maybe American, she's an illegal immigrant in there. I'll pay people, maybe a bear man at now watch it. And also pay people around to be there in the normal.
Now, the Oyan organ and it's not all the baby.
No, the second, the Ghanaian one, Entina, probably maybe it didn't succeed in that light. But again, this things could happen. It could happen. I do not have that shred of evidence say Bearman hadn't lived there that long. But we see Ebian also pay.
Or the purpose.
At the purpose said they are normal, and I said, Bearman so who said, oh, okay, she's that popular, she's famous, and she's famous, right? And you know,
also you soon
as way to also make his way to other places, right? And I said, Bearman who was sick. And they got at this age,
that's the question I'm asking.
But sometimes maybe I have one and they got that you are so say, Bearman was sent to my Missumia day. Like you said, no. And I say, dear, you me a bar, and I am maybe I know or pursue because about one house is set up. But 90 years old, and what's preventing the fence if you attach you from also giving birth again? Yes, it had minimum beer. Or those a popular person on TV over 48 years.
40 column, the Anna, okay.
About see also.
Yanam said, sir, from 50 a hawk on Yana feeling, Omunia feelings.
Oh, Sammy, said to you, Draco Bisa, but beside the mammy, said, Mammy, I didn't know one, was sick, no catching the mammy, catching a train, no baby nabeto. So also can cause her.
Sir, oh, Bema dear, me who say Bema dear. Even at the age of 90 cry. About some year,
Sammy.
Yes, what I'm here about.
Yes, it's to you more. It's your own name.
It's your young concert to
you. What I say. And one time, okay, that's the thing, you know. The fact that only 50 years. 60 years now, we are in Kansas.
Me a Bearman 90 years, met my fire.
No, but also, the hormones will still be in her. But again, no, the woman, because of birth, she might not have that strength again to be doing that doggy style. That time, she might not be able to do those things. So you should understand it from that angle. Okay. In wrapping up, but me, maybe I can't touch you. So maybe now she had more friends so they up to the age. Maybe I don't know that kind of a wedding before.
Okay.
What is Ebia Nebano? It was out of wedlock.
Okay.
And yes, Ebia wanted me see Ebia. And you know, this is the opportunity or the time for her to also put her name in that glamorous book. Okay. Epiata.
We are also
wedding. Why a white wedding on the pictures? One man named Martin and Nana. And don't forget that she's an actress.
Okay.
Okay, so don't forget that she's an actress. So in all of these things, not in the canon, probably maybe she's playing that in as its own. What you know me for no? It's exactly that we all trying to put down for people to understand. So this is how it is. But I me dear to Bible naka or say for lack of knowledge, my people perish. You understand it? The fact that say you are old, that doesn't makes you a wisdom or a knowledgeable person. Obi eswa okwa ware monya da nyansa ne adwene no. Oh, etu de kura fie ma ne yeyi. Obi so wo wanyini. But Sebio, because only that state, that marital state in life before, life in your and branching to high before. Man, how to even do things, no, need control. What I said, see, you keep doing government and work, no afraid because of that. After all, me and they may need that. What I said, you see, remember, dear, my advice in the castle. In as much as she's got into this marriage, though she's an actress, sometimes they make us believe she should get into this for the thinking and for a mindset say or just for the fun aspect of it. And again, our real one say oba say o bra wo ase mamu kunu a and where there and no go. Maybe the na so say still at this age. No, she's still struggling, still finding to find a life partner, and then the obedient more thing. I'm going to pushing it, then say, no, you look back and say, then,
okay, and quad
that means that say, still, no, I think can hope, say, quadding. What I say, the one of us say, on the demo, all
right, when you go to our Kumawood entertainment show, I must be on transfer. They be saying, and she will be a woman to now, so they are going to say about Shampoo.
When you are coming in, you know, make a second. You are when you be as a stone after can. Oh, we go in the channel stone now. We will go branch of common abeta. Intino, made a mirror of a dimina dream. You must all focus when you need. My name is Chichiwa, still my morning papa. And the idea, I think I'm your one year was so free. I'm not a papa that would know. Oh, there is someone that damn doesn't mean say. Because Papa when you but when sir. Don't to me fire. Eh, I mean, I will my boy sister, I'm 50. So, I was saying, over 60, and over 60. So, last book when Jay. Hey, and the Jawano. Also, who mended? I will last by the same. Oh, sir, you must say, we need be a side. Wow, my man, yeah. Wow, we are Sana, who swing for 70, not any channel. So, come down. Or course, is still not catch it all. Wow, to walk on one. Wow, and you knew we some meeting Guma. And no man, Jawano, a Japadia, they will be on by Japadia. Until if I don't 20, I would didn't know why. Papa on the morning. I will just all. And I would didn't know or per feelings. Yeah. Okay, you may be our man too. But the last topic in kind. Yes, the Basso. The Basso. You may be our man to now, so the Wagent Abba, but Senia, Amazabe Kano. You were celebrities are master endorsement. Prince David Osei. Endorsement a man who sent me be a baby Bontene. Sarkodie so say out, Minya President and Kobeye. With your President and Kobeye. Miss Bell so say, Minso, Seminya President and Kagan economy no, a bit makoye pa. I think, sir, celebrities no, I started the baby out near that day. Nay, Busa say, we a movie star, we a music star. Or they are for politicians near that, yeah. O Mamudi can ye be no, a cozy almost say, Ama, Yena, and as a more amusable person, what them who question baby no, a better could real say. Young Grofobi ha, and Pesamo Bobodi, but I'm not called Johnny, political party be a more regret papa. O more regret it. Obi Hananka, or ni pick pa or act it, but or then who called political party be no bia
osu bebre so ejo no ye no edoma kosi yi enti yebusa se wo ye celebrity a eye se wo de hu ba join political party bi ana amanzba I'm starting free one
Same in economics you will be a scale of preference and first choices scale of preference ni near
open no wa hye we da soro we da ha we da se
near one pay what says me I do not have a problem
say obi be yes
have any problem with anybody wanting to associate him or herself to a political party. We are human beings. We can't be hypocritical and say we do not or we don't. Right? We are human beings. We have preference.
Yeah.
We have choices.
Yes.
Sammy, easy.
But I won't say me try no, but when you become a celebrity, one day on home, Kofobi na ama o eye sad no. Kofobi de mo yire ahye omu. Sangrofo na so wo individual no mo wo obo parties. Enti enkamea kay good so be neutral to maintain your funds. Than say
Sammy, listen, there's nothing like neutrality. Miss Hassan, I am and laugh of my head. And electoral commissioner to about Chief Justice or to about.
But omun show omun show
no. Listen, Tio. Chief Justice. Obi na appointing man be.
Say dey a political party be na appoint.
Electoral commission no, whether say or hana so on had any no or to about on be kan tira was say.
That is what I'm saying.
But your artist no on the electoral commission. On the chief justice. Electoral commission hwe ni obedi, ni obeno, ni obehye, baby obeda, ka obetwi, BBI to provide for him by the states. Yes. Otiwe, I'm asking you, does the state provide something for you?
Nothing.
Apart from security? Only everybody's enjoying. Yeah. I'm asking. So I mean, you see, we are human beings. Let's face reality.
Come to me.
It's not about a company. I won't be a hypocrite and sit here and say, I haven't voted for private MPP, neither NDC. But let's say, at the point where I'm human, me share through the crystal ball, then I say, okay, fine. Looking at the manifesto show, I did back my leadership place, I mean, the disservice we do to ourselves as industry players, not any. Say, about finance, who say, manifesto on finance, who say, people on finance, no, with finance background are digesting, bisecting critically and deep into financial issues on the manifesto. So, when it comes to, let me say, a law, right, you find out that people who knows best in the legal fraternity will always be rooting for the best person to become the chief justice or the attorney general. What am I saying? But when it comes to your friends and be delving into issues with their friends and with who qualifies and what the person has done, what he or she can do, but when it comes to creative art now, so we do one man can just about barely 4 months to election. The honors lies on you and I to come and sit in here and do what we call intellectual discussion. Say, you know, the Bible Creative Art Manifesto from 2016. MPP, NDC, PPP, PNC. What I say? The Bible digested.
And I don't cover cars on the honor, but talk cars are not.
And I rhetoric. The Bible digested issues on this political manifestos on creative art, critically on MPP, NDC, because only the two major political parties beyond Mabel. PPP Mabel
and the man cancer.
Tio, Sammy, but the two major political parties, MPP, NDC, they're from manifesto on 2016. Then analyze it on
point on creative art.
Issues on that manifesto on creative art. And let's tell the people that when we sat down, we digested and bisected the issues critically on this now. We feel say this has a better position to help the creative art industry. About this around the political parties should take some of us serious.
The whole percent of Chasenka, industry now, shake through near who the Nanka. All of us enjoying it.
Of course, you see, when you hear
manifestos is there, somebody by that day.
Over the years, we haven't been able to do these things. But this time when we are telling them that you can fool some of the people some of the time, but not all of them at the same time. What you say?
And how can I say, Obia on a choice. Industry didn't mean for so Yenina say Yenina involved.
No, I am not saying so, but what I mean is that you Samdackus, there's always a step to take. When you make that decision, say this time around, I can 4 months election. Every week be now. The first maybe 30 minutes we will look into this point of it, this point in the NPP manifesto. Following the we'll come and look at the point in NDC manifesto. What I said, sir, to say about problem.
What I'm saying is, manifesto there, draft being a draft, but implementation, everyone na entisa.
Sammy, let me tell you something. That is the reason why they don't take us serious, and that's implementation entisa, because on finance people will hold them accountable to it. Who are those holding the government on those things? President Akufo-Addo in 2016 said, which I was part of it. A lot of MPP meetings that went on me, I was part of it. On creative attitude, my office was used at a certain point. They will tell you.
Yeah.
What happens? They say, so creative art for no. If you want man, oh yes, sort of Samdackus, and just sort of man, just keep quiet, live there. Right. And I'm asking, say, should you always have to be so? No. And Sabre will say, start here, Saturday now. This time around, when you're back, I know my car say, yeah, hold you accountable to it. And then different fact check. Here we are. President say, of a kind of MPP manifesto, no sister put to Abamamia. Messi theaters, ultra-modern theaters in all the 9 regions, with a such a greater Accra. Then Mr. said, Baku, over to Messi Baku.
Land, the Bukra by yes,
the twist, I say, and now you see they will be the front village. In the last 3 years, 4 years, State of the Nation address, the business critically say, have they been able to do this critical things?
Okay.
No.
All right.
We are, let's wait. We are creative people. We are creative people. That's where we make our money from. I am not a footballer. I am not an economist. So I am asking issues on where my expertise are. When we fail in doing that, we are failing our own people. And don't think our own. Celebrities be sorry our own. Or so make them go for their own selfish egoistic interest. Obi Koye, who can name say, yes, Mr. Beautiful Koye DC. At that point, before he was going in there, no Jina smooth in trouble, but soon as a quiet pet network from a Jacko, a call.
But they won't go over to say Joaka.
I don't want to mention them, they are gone. A Jacko ever joining MPP, campaigning my MPP. A Jack over campaign my MPP. Sabio, near Washington and San Carrington, he's making noise. What I said, Prince David said, now, critically, he's down. What I said, and he's also doing something to also catch the attention of the paymasters. John Dumelo is also switched to the NDC. Sami, industry will move. You need more MPP before they need more NDC for. My brother Ola, me and Ola, we have sat several times to discuss MPP issues.
Yeah.
Several times to discuss MPP issues. But the point Ola said, so, listen, it's only a fool doesn't change his mind. He changed his mind to switch camp to NDC. What I said, now it is gaining Ola a certain offense of notoriety and a certain popularity somewhere. He's talking on him alone. Miss Bell is with the NDC.
Yeah.
Tracy Watt is with the NDC.
Yeah.
Why be a man why mention them. What I said, Bibi Bright is with the MPP. They are couple of them. Matadasari, it's with the MPP. Mama Kali is MPP. Yes, me, I have sat down with them. Listen, Sammy, I am not checking out and I won't hide these things. I know them, we know ourselves.
Problem they say. Ghana says a politician.
Mamma, Baba, Obama, Baba, maybe a woman to so people say Obaswa bet my phrases here. 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 best obaswa with my ba na fe ye na wo atwetwe enkomo
okay say John Dumelo oko NDC no and they didn't treat him right now he would have stayed there. He wouldn't have done that. Now he's the parliamentary candidate of Iowa Sumo. So we near Sammy, it's a plus for John Dumelo. Me, I support John Dumelo. I support John, irrespective of what the situation is said or your NDC. But if John wins that seat, me, I'll be happy. But that's also another discussion altogether. Said, as we say, he has that mental psychology, that knowledge, that way to go and sit in parliament now. That's also another subject altogether. Because we've seen a lot of professors.
Okay, my man call Ahomane. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning. We didn't even hear from you.
My name is Rachel. I don't see any progress to join a political because everyone.
Oh, your line. Okay. I think Officer Ochre said, Obia won a freedom of waiting to join a political party. Hello? Mr. Ofremi and Oma, TV volume, no aquaform, na metime, and what to train and come ever. 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Sean Paul, also will take on
the last 4 years. Part be Flamingo.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning. We didn't even have me free.
Young for Japan, a farm planes, Mammy.
Okay, come into it.
Yo, but your minimum must want the on my canna. But I can't make any MPP there. You need to be when you move him. It's MPP, actually, on my Ghana. Okay, on Penny Kufado, a bar of this. So the issue, visually 2 against you. So, what other?
All right, yeah, shut down as a politics, yeah, but. Pacho ma ofidie no volume no kom na metim no enjetwe nkomo. Hello. Okay. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Would you never offer me free? Okay. Me tell you.
Your honest. You have to be our train. It will be our baby. Okay. Electoral Commission. One of the idea of Mr. Obama party here, not 1 to 5. It will have to be our baby. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's a party. Watching travel the Abba. Also betting me after now. So watch the 0200 603 602. Jean Paul.
I say, and young ones also overdo a party, and young ones because they are the but you are a star. The Cofoni, me, the time I'm going to say, I saw him go, which I will be honest. Because how many people say you will meet me in the.
Okay, Mammy. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, good morning. We didn't know you are free.
Hello.
Would any baby are free?
If I should come to the I'm going to see what microphone.
Okay, Mammy, tell you why.
Okay. Thank you for your good work done. Humanity, originally, I think you are a celebrity.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Me pato ma TV volume no come from yes sir. O kan intimate ni here papa. Mesre wa ofra na ma TV volume no akofom na matimi ni wakasa.
You see as an kodwo bi. Let's wa anwene 4 years no. Dear band be.
Obebre.
Ko fans no mo ma. Edo yam bibi ni when this ni kwa na kodwo yi. Masa je for Ghana yi.
I didn't know Ghana for.
Africa.
Hello. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Who didn't baby offer me free?
The party from Rich. Free gaso.
Okay, man.
The party.
But your baby, what?
Shampoo.
Yo.
The party. Yes, I can better me join.
All right, your poma, no friend line or not only chompo at you come on. Okay, yeah, that's a bit of a bravo baby and baby and nothing. That abandon you. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Pacho. Didn't we offer me free?
But you're very tough.
Okay. My way.
Mama, I can't say good morning.
Yeah, morning.
And I'm more about some far at my farm with the man here. For my seniors and to many now.
Okay.
Martin and say about a Chiwa issue.
Okay.
Now, Ubisa, as you say, I get Padiana or Pew. And I say, when I didn't do. So, what can I say now? You put it about
okay.
Because the only and so on, Kamukuya, Kumawood, and I say, most of it with Mukuya, but say, when you need to do that,
what are you interested in saying? Okay. All right. I am far phone segment no see here. Anyway, now our patch say Basse your boss we no open na yenso ya bias kakra. E adwentre na ebusa se na be ya wo so ebitimanya wadwene. Enti na ma no e ba nsa. Sure.
The other Jamaican say enkenye bone se ba kodwon but se wa anwene na se wo kobo shu awo akokora ama. Then obi ya mi bi woton aduane and this is so on top. Me ka cho. Tell me if I gas. The politics ni dia akwasa religion. Mamba wale ro.
Ba se kramoni ni ba se Kristo ni.
Enti so yi artist ya hwe ye hu se ye wo koro ba wele. Wa wele ye kombeje. Enti maintain fans ni sa na obo show maba. O dey be.
How did you do? Anyway, quickly, the time now, now they wrap up.
See, it's also because we don't want to broaden our horizon. Our level.
When you see a level, no,
it's because we don't want to broaden it. When you are campaigning for a political party, let's say you do a clean campaign without devoid of insult. Only the term you don't cast in when those are around people, right? When it is good, it is good.
Okay.
Now, people, you see, your fans will even see your level of maturity.
Now, this, final word now.
So, I'm happy that today's show has come on. But again, there's one thing I still feel we are missing, we're lacking in. It's about time we start delving into the critical issues that are attaining the industry. Yeah. That's the manifesto that they promised out.
Yeah.
President can't just obey a fancy cathedral. But now, yeah, fans. I mean, I call their friends and Jordan was saying, "Jordan, if we not compare no matter the baby, any ever be seen, and then I say, okay, creative party national on him for be and work. I say, my matter was I say, I'm buying and what it cannot. Government is not doing it. Mere rhetoric. Well, I don't think I'm maybe I know we say the politicians are too much of deceit. Okay, they are deceit and.
Percy, mami.
And the time I listen, my mentia will be our share. Na mentia, friends, the boys, Will and Sean, and Sean and Bob. And mentia and Tiama Papa, we will be a chapter from so many. Okay, we will be a channel.
Sean, 30 minutes, 30 seconds, or whatever.
Champion France, you will be a person of a can't movement number to you.
Okay,
0247 666 221
0247
666
221. Sean Paul, number no.
That's right. Let me do this quick. Those say we are in coronavirus, right? DKB production. Yes, we are looking at finding what we call talent in Ashanti region. Musical talent. Okay. In Ashanti region.
Mumra Ghana got talent. We never
anybody who also want to join that free. Should also call me on 0244 626940. I mean 0244 626940.
If you are the marketing manager,
want management, want blah, blah.
Yeah, time so, but quickly social media handles.
YouTube show the movement. Maybe I show this.
Maybe I show this. Yeah, that was say and Johnny and only a Kumawood entertainment show. Oko engine room where your Loretta or your Augustina or yɛwɔ Kobe Frank on the chinchim cameras ne ma yɛwɔ Ben PRO AJ Hipsy ɔno nso na produce de ma ɛna Ochunozo the only one in Ghana ɔno nso yɛ production manager me dey the Samuel Kwabena Dako na me sorry Chompo nyomo no ɛna yɛde sorry ɛnti wa wonnim Chompo nyomo no yɛbɛbɔ ɛde ama wo na wo so wo de atwa wo nas nyame ɛyɛ adoma dasene ɛbɛsan hyɛ